What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. The channel's called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels with an emphasis on Harley Davidsons. But today I got something that crosses over all lines. We're talking about turning your rear 1156 turn signals into dual purpose lights, being running, brake, turn signals. And we do it by using a triple play. I'm using one made by Custom Dynamics. Let's take a look at the functionality. Have any comments? Hit me up below. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next ride. Alright guys, so what we're talking about is turning this turn signal from what would originally have been the amber turn signal. I wanted to gain function as far as having more light behind me and going from the incandescent to the LED. And this module up here is what does it. This is the triple play. This one just happens to be by Custom Dynamics. You can see it's got two switches down here. Those are for adding the functionality to the rear. And this one right here is a dial that allows you to turn and select which function you want to use. Again, the whole idea behind this is to get more light behind me, turn that brake light into LED, along with I got away with the front turn signals being LED without having any kind of module. But this not only gives you more functionality, it's also a load equalizer, so you don't have to worry about running LEDs where you had incandescents. On the front, I have the Harley LED lights. Those are the white halos. Then they flash amber. And on the back, I decided to go with the full Custom Dynamics package back here. This is a Custom Dynamics brake light and then the tail lights. Originally, whenever you would turn on the bike, these would be amber, but they would not come on. They would only come on whenever you hit the turn signals. Now I'm going to show you all the functionality I gained. So I do have the quad strobe setting right now, just to answer any questions you guys might have when you see the lights flash. So the quad strobe is the only one that flashes for like a second and then turns off. Everything else is a little more prolonged. I just wanted that quick initial flash and then just the nice bright lights. But let me turn the bike on and I'll show you how it works. Alright guys, so again, just a really quick video to show you how you can gain some functionality, add some LEDs to your bike. The Springer's an 05, so originally obviously it had incandescents all the way around. Wanted to put full LEDs, the reason being obviously I want to be more visible, I want people to see me. Way too many distracted drivers out there. It's just something that makes me feel a lot safer on the road. Adding the the quad strobe function, it's going to make me easier to see by anybody coming up behind me, and you just can't have enough of that these days with people staring at their cell phones going down the road. If you guys have any questions, hit me up below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.